Alright, here we have a level 1 question. It's a sort of shape and spacey scale plan type question. Savio wants to work from home. He's going to plan where to put a workbench in a room. The workbench is rectangular, 3 meters by 1.5 meters, and the workbench needs to be at least 1 meter from the radiator, at least 0.5 meters from the storage cupboard, and it needs to touch a wall. Show the workbench on the plan. Remember to use the key. Now, since it's brought it up, here is the key. It says that one square on the grid is 0.5 meters by 0.5 meters in the room. Now, what that means is, let's say I wanted to know the height of this storage cupboard. Well, this is 0.5 meters, and that's another 0.5, so that's 1 meter altogether. 1.5 meters, 2 meters. So, for example, the height of the storage cupboard would be 2 meters. Right, I think with these questions, the first thing to do is always get your object in the space and get it to be the right size and shape so that you can start dealing with all the niggly little issues with where it needs to go. So let's just put it somewhere. The workbench is rectangular. It is 3 meters by 1.5 meters. Now 1.5 meters, let's make it 1.5 meters wide, although there's almost always an option for whether you choose to have it vertical or horizontal. Whoopsie daisy. Alright, so if it wants to be 1.5, I'm going to say it's going to be 1.5 wide. So that would be 0.5, that's 1. So this is 1.5 meters wide, and it wants to be 3 meters long in my case. So that's 0.5, that's 1 meter, 1.5, 2 meters, 2.5. That's the right size now. So it needs to be 1 meter from the radiator. Well, 1 meter, that's 0.5 meters away, that's 1 meter away. So now it's 1 meter from the radiator, that's fine. 0.5 meters from the storage cupboard. It is. It needs to touch a wall. It does. So I think that might just be it, you know. Let's just check through those criteria again. It needs to be 3 meters wide, or deep. 0.5, 1, 1.52, 2.53, so that's fine. And 1.5 meters wide, 0.5, 1, 1.5. Good. It needs to be at least 1 meter from the radiator. Well, that's 0.5, 1 meter, that's alright. 0.5 meters from the storage cupboard, well, that would be only 1 square, and it's 2 squares away, so that's fine. And it's touching a wall. So that's it. That's all you need to do for 3 marks.